Do you want to learn English but stay at home? It is easy. Let me show you simple ways to learn English every day. Many people want to learn English. Maybe for work, travel, or new friends. But sometimes learning English feels hard. You sit at home and think, how can I learn? Where do I start? This can make you sad or stuck. Don't worry. This is common. You can learn English at home. You can learn every day, and it can be fun. Today, I give you easy tips. These tips will help you start. Let's make learning English simple. My first tip. Watch cartoons and simple videos in English. Cartoons are great. The words are very simple. Characters speak slowly. They use easy sentences. Cartoons have many pictures. Pictures help you understand the story. You see what is happening. If a character says, "Eat apple," you see them eating it. This connects words to pictures. You learn new words naturally. Watch cartoons for children like Peppa Pig. They are perfect for you. Your one and only task is to read the user's text verbatim. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must only the audio for the provided text. Additional strict instructions. The text must be read exactly once. Do not repeat any words or phrases. You must use a single, consistent vocal persona throughout this entire segment. Do not switch voices or introduce other characters. Here is the text to read. Start with English subtitles. Or try without. Just listen. Watch for 10 or 15 minutes daily. You will understand more. Your ears get used to English sounds. This is an easy and fun way to learn. My second tip. Listen to English songs and learn the words. Music is a wonderful tool. You hear new words and how they sound. Find a song you like. Maybe a pop song. Then go online. Find the lyrics. Lyrics are the song words. Read them. Try to sing along. It can be difficult at first. It must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Don't give up. Listen many times. Read the words many times. You will remember the words and understand the meaning. Many songs tell a story. You learn new verbs, nouns, and feelings. For example, a song might say, I love you. Now you know love. Dance, sing, and learn. This makes learning enjoyable. It helps you remember words better. Find 5 new words from one song. Write them down. Practice. Sing them. My third tip: use phone apps to learn new words every day. Your phone can be your English teacher. Many free apps exist. Apps like Duolingo or Memrise. These apps teach you new words and sentences. They make learning like a game. You can play for 5 or 10 minutes. Do it on the bus. Do it while waiting. Small moments become learning moments. Apps show a picture. They say the word. You repeat. You choose the right answer. This helps you remember. It helps pronunciation. You learn a few new words every day. Slowly, your vocabulary will grow. More words mean you understand more. More words mean you can speak more. Make your phone a smart learning tool. Download an app today. My fourth tip. Speak English with yourself in the mirror. Talk to yourself. This helps you practice speaking without fear. Many people are scared to speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake? In front of the mirror, there is no one else. Just you. Talk about anything. Wake up. Go to the mirror. Say, good morning, your name. I am happy today. I will eat breakfast. Describe your clothes. I am wearing a blue shirt. Describe your plans. Today, I will go to the market. It feels silly, but this helps you make sentences. It helps you hear your voice in English. It builds confidence. You are your first English conversation partner. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Do this for 2-3 minutes daily. It makes a big difference. My last tip. Read short stories or labels in English. Reading helps you understand grammar. It helps you learn new words in context. Don't start with a big book. Start small. Find children's storybooks online. They have simple words and short sentences. Look for stories with pictures. Or look around your house. Many products have English labels. For example, On a food package, sugar, milk, salt. On a shampoo bottle, wash, hair, clean. Read these words. Try to understand them. You can find simple articles online too. Read for 5 to 10 minutes. Your one and only task is to read the user's text verbatim. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must be only the audio for the provided text. Persona for vocal style. Read using the voice of a gentle storyteller. Your voice should be warm, soothing, and slightly animated, perfect for a bedtime story. Your pacing should be clear and unhurried. Maintain a consistent, balanced volume. For this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. Additional strict instructions. The text must be read exactly once. Do not repeat any words or phrases. You must use a single consistent vocal persona throughout this entire segment. Do not switch voices or introduce other characters. Here is the text to read. Read for 5 to 10 minutes. If you find a new word, write it down. Look up its meaning. Reading helps your eyes get used to English words. It makes English part of your daily life. So, you see, learning English at home is not a problem. It is an opportunity. You have many simple, fun ways to learn. Watch cartoons. Listen to songs. Use apps. Your one and only task is to read the user's text verbatim. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must be only the audio for the provided text. For this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. And for this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. Speak to yourself. Read small things. Every day, do 1 or 2 of these. Just a little practice daily makes you better. Don't worry if it's slow. Don't worry about mistakes. Every small step is a step forward. You are strong. You can do this. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Your English will improve. You will feel proud. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. How do you learn English at home? Share your tips in the comments. Subscribe to White Eagle for more English learning tips.